guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and if you'd like to learn how to trade and you'd like to learn how to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies, you can join our club at richpicksdaily.com. Join the club, it's absolutely free, and if you want to be a member, you can be a VIP member. It's true. Now, this is the Rich TV Live Top 10. We've pretty much become famous for our top 10 list. We've been bringing winning picks after winning picks for years now, for 4 years on YouTube and all over social media. Thank you, YouTube, for being the greatest platform in the galaxy. Now, in number 10 for June 2021, this has been a tough month. Market's been really choppy. We're in a capitulation phase in the markets and cryptos everywhere. And it's getting harder and harder to do these top 10. But this is, look at this chart. Like, this thing's a thing of beauty. From 73 cents all the way up to 792, currently at 361. Beautiful trend. Looks like a very, 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 very bullish trade. Metals trade, Sierra Metals. And I think right now metals are kind of a safe zone. You can see it's 100% buy on bar chart with a strengthening short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Just to give you a little bit about Sierra Metals right here. Sierra Metals is a mining company which engages in the production, exploration, and development of precious and base metals. There you go. So they're in the metal space, and right now I'm looking for some security and some safety. You can see it's been really aggressively trending up. Be careful of a trend reversal, could definitely trend back, but you can see here 4 analysts, 1 say hold, 3 say strong buy. I think that it's got some potential. Put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. It's my number 10 pick for June 2021. In number 9, we got RRD. I love this symbol, RRD. Currently at 641, and you're going to see a very similar trend here as well. With a lot of these picks, you're going to see a very strong trend. Look at this, from $1 all the way up to where it is today, $6.41 currently. So a beautiful trend line, once again, straight up, right? So very strong trend. I'm looking for trends, and these are strong trends. RRD, beautiful symbol. Love the symbol. RRD, Donnelly RR and Sons Company. And let's see here, bar chart, once again, 100% buy with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Price on the New York Stock Exchange currently is 641. So not a high price like some stocks out there, but you could see very close to all-time highs. Be watchful of a trend reversal. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and information purposes. Always consult a financial advisor before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Now, in number 9, RR Donnelly is a leading global provider of integrated multi-channel marketing and business communication solutions. Company helps the customers communicate more efficiently and effectively as soon as they use the words and images to inform, educate, entertain, and sell. So an interesting business, and I really pride myself in bringing new companies. This is a new one. Look at this, up 59% in the last month, 80% in the last 3 months, 534% in the last year. So put them on your watch list, put them on your radar. RRD in number 9. In number 8, I like these symbols too. RRR, Red Rock Resorts on the NASDAQ. And you're going to see a trend 100% buy with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Be careful of a watch trend reversal because it is clearly trending up very aggressively, and you can see it is very close to all-time highs. So with a lot of these picks, they're on fire. They could definitely do a trend reversal, but we do believe in momentum, and we do believe the trend is your friend. So I think they could maintain this trend for another month. That's why they're my number 8 pick. Lucky number 8 for June 2021. Red Rock Resorts manage and own an indirectly equity interest in Station Casinos LLC. Stations is a provider of gaming and entertainment primarily in Las Vegas. So with things opening up, I think this is a play that could be a huge momentum play for the world opening up, America opening up. So you could see 100% buy. They're my number 8 pick, RRR. And we look on Webull and we pull up RRR. Let's go RRR. Here we go. And look at that trend. See the trend? So very similar trend for all of our picks so far, just straight up almost. Beautiful chart. Absolutely beautiful chart from 938 all the way up to 44.75. So very strong trend for our number 8 pick. And in number 7, now remember, if you guys would like to get these picks, you can go to richpicksdaily.com, go to rich pick section, and you can see our picks since the beginning of last year, 179 public picks. And this is for momentum trading. Always lock in your gains. Never let your green profits go red. Never let your profits disappear. If you are using momentum with our picks over the last year and a half, 179 picks with an average rate of return of peak profit of 283%. That's pretty unbelievable. You can see some of our picks just here in May already seeing gains, and previous picks with massive gains as well, despite the fact that we really are in a choppy market right now. And this space pick, obviously this needs to be updated because they're over $31. So this pick should be in profit here. So we'll get that updated. And all of this is at Rich Picks Daily. All you need to do is go to richpicksdaily.com and you too can join the trading club. And we're really working hard to make our website a fully functional financial platform. So stay tuned to that. We'd love to have you be a member and you can join the club. Now in number 7, TTI, Tetra Technologies, and you'll see the same trend, looking for momentum for the month. And here we got it, 100% buy on bar chart with a strengthening short-term outlook on maintaining current direction, currently at 360. And you can see that they are very close to all-time highs as well. So be careful of a trend reversal. You can see this is up 990% in the last year, 55% in the last 3 months, 50% in the last month. So it's been making some big moves. Tetra Technologies Inc. is a geographically diversified oil and gas services company focused on completion, fluids, and associated products and services, water management, frac, flowback, production, well testing. So these guys are another one that I think you need to put on your watches, put on your radar. It's been absolutely on fire. I really pride myself on bringing you guys new picks that no one's ever heard of before. And I believe with all 10 of these, they could fall in that category. So that's what I'm trying to do this month. Last month, I brought you a lot of bigger names. And these are all big names that I'm bringing you. They're just not at high prices. So big board stocks, just in my opinion, trending up with the potential to go even higher. Look at this trend. TTI, beautiful trend. The trend is your friend. My number 7 pick for June 2021. In number 6, IHT. Here we go. IHT, same type of thing. Beautiful chart. You can see it's gone from 77 cents to where it trades today at 6.96. Ridiculous, powerful trend. And that's what I like to look for. I like to look for momentum. I like to look for stocks that are doing well. And it's always difficult to try to determine when the trend's going to end. So we always like to believe the trend will continue. So here it is, IHT, InSuites Hospitality Trust. And once again, with the world opening up, we are looking at trades that will benefit from the world opening up, like InSuites Hospitality Trust, currently at 6.96, 100% buy on bar chart with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Once again, this is another rocket. Look at this. This thing is up a mind-boggling 798% in the year, 266% in the last 3 months, and the same in the last month. So it's been a big mover. And with the US opening up, and the world starting to open up slowly but surely, some of these plays are going to be magnificent. InSuites Hospitality Trust is a hospitality real estate investment trust. The trust business plan focuses on ownership of suite hotels, as well as its alliance with in-suite hotels. So they are my number 6 pick for June 2021 and an absolute rocket. Now, remember, if you like these picks, please smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe. Comment, let me know what you think of my picks. Do you like these picks? Are you putting them on your watch list? Are you putting them on your radar? Are you buying any of these picks? Do you own any of these picks? I would like to know. We're in the final 5, folks. In 5th spot, Apollo Endosurgery Inc., APEN. Once again, a 100% buy on bar chart with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of this trend. So you can see here, it's pretty close to all-time highs as well. So you can see the trend here. I'm looking for momentum, 476% gainer over the last year, 43% over the last 3 months, and 30% over the last month. Apollo Endosurgery Inc. is engaged in designing and manufacturing of medical devices for weight loss solutions and gastrointestinal disorders. So put them on your watch list, put them on your radar. My number 5 pick, APEN. And let's take a look at the chart. AP. I also try to look for stocks that are not too highly priced, so you guys can get in before they explode. A lot of them have already gone up a lot, but I still think that they can go higher. So that's why I'm bringing them to your attention this month. And look at that chart. Beautiful, right? It's an absolutely beautiful chart. So all of these charts look extremely bullish, and that's why they're my number 5 pick for June 2021. And in number 4, RENN. Like I said, I take pride in bringing you picks that no one's ever heard of before. This is another one. Beautiful chart on this. A ridiculous chart. This is a 10-bagger. You could see here from September of last year till now, up a staggering 1,000%. Currently at $12.55 after market. And look at that chart. Beautiful, beautiful trend. And when we take a look at RENN, I was very impressed with this company. They are having a little bit of issues they're dealing with, so it might slow them down a little bit, but I like the industry they're in. Social media is huge. Did a lot of research to find this company, and look at that. It's 1,000% up since September of last year, and 117% up in the last 3 months, 44% in the last month alone. RENN Inc. operates as a social networking internet platform in China, offering information and content sharing, music, online games, and online shopping, and other services, including communication. So put them on your radar, put them on your watch list. I'm sure you've probably never heard of them before, but they're on fire. Once again, 100% buy on bar chart with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. So a lot of these stocks are on fire. They could be a trend reversal anytime, but I believe this trend can continue. What do you guys think about RENN? An absolute rocket. Now, here's one that I love, and I think every Canadian should consider owning. Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. Every American, too. This is one of the biggest, best banks in the world, one of the biggest, best banks in Canada. And look at that chart. They pay you a nice fat dividend, and that chart is a thing of beauty. 100% buy with the top 1% of all short-term signal directions. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of this trend. Now it's trending up, so there could be a trend reversal. Be watchful of that. But right now, CIBC, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, CM is the symbol in America, is absolutely on fire. Look at this, up 13% in the last month, 27% in the last 3 months, and 85% in the last year, buying a bank stock that gives you back 85% in a year. It's absolutely incredible. And they pay you a dividend. So has to be on everyone's radar, has to be on everyone's watch list. Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. If you're looking for safety and value, you don't get better than CIBC. Okay. And you can see here, like, beautiful chart. We're going to pull up Webull. CM, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. CIBC is the name in Canada, and CM is the symbol in the United States. And you can see the chart here. Like, look at this trend, is just a thing of beauty. Just very powerful, like almost no dips. So Probably going to have to do a forward split at some point here because the price is getting so high, which might create even another buying opportunity. So I believe CIBC is a beauty and filled with cash, great bank, and doing tons of business in Canada and internationally. Now, and we can go through that there too here. We can just read that if you like. This is as good as it gets when you're talking about big companies. CIBC is a leading North American financial institution that offers a full range of products and services through its comprehensive electronic banking network, branches, and offices across Canada, in the United States, and around the world. There it is. And I'm not going to go through all of the details, but you should definitely have these guys on your radar and on your watch list. They're absolutely on fire. Now, in number 2, we brought this pick this week. They've been absolutely on fire. Vertex Energy, and members within our community have made a killing on Vertex Energy all week. VTNR on fire, 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. It is just a rocket, an absolute rocket. They're our number 2 pick. Look at this. Unbelievable. Up 519% in the last month. 585% in the last 3 months, 1,850% in the last year. And you know about them now. Vertex Energy Inc. operates as an environmental services company that recycles industrial waste streams and off-specification commercial chemical products. Its primary focus is recycling used motor oil and other petroleum byproduct streams. So love to know what you guys think. This has been an absolute rocket of epic proportions. It hasn't stopped, and this might continue into next month. VTNR, let's take a look. VTNR, Vertex Energy. Here we go. And that is another thing of beauty. I mean, look at that, from 40 cents to $7. What an absolute rocket. Now be careful. It could be a trend reversal. And remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for information education purposes. Do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in any of these picks. But in number 1, our number 1 pick, PDSB. So we've really gone with momentum this month. And this is another rocket, another 10-bagger. So at the very least, you're getting awareness of another 10-bagger. PDSB, look at this rocket ship. I mean, the trend is beautiful. PDSB, Biotechnology Corp. As you can see here, look at this rocket. PDSB, 100% buy on bar chart, tops in the 1% of all short-term signal directions. An absolute rocket. PDS Biotechnologies Corp. Now, be careful. Could be a trend reversal anytime with a stock up this much. But I think it's important that you understand who the rockets are. So up 197% in the last month, 275% in the last 3 months, 989% in the last year. Now, with Rich TV Live picks, put them on your watch list, put them on your radar, watch the trend. If you're looking to buy them, try to buy in the red, buy on the dips. We don't chase green. We don't chase momentum. What we do is we look for momentum, and then we look for bad days, red days, pullbacks, dips. We buy on the dips, and then we sell on the rips. PDS Biotechnology Corp is an immuno-oncology company. It is focused on developing a pipeline of clinical stage immunotherapies to treat cancers, including head and neck cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, and other cancers. What do you guys think? These are my top 10 picks. I think these picks are solid picks. I think we're going to have a very big month. I think the market is in a capitulation phase, and we've hit a lot of bottoms, and stocks are starting to really make moves now. Markets are starting to open up in America, in Canada, all over the world. And little by little, as the world starts living with this new reality and technology continues to evolve, there's going to be rockets in the market. And we're going to continue to make sure you have those rockets in your pockets. Thank you for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you the winners here at Rich TV Live. We've been doing it for 4 years, and we bring them to you first. What do you guys think? If you like the video, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe. I think we just brought you 10 picks you may have never even heard of before. Probably CIBC, Out of all these picks, you probably heard of the most. The rest, I would say most of you probably haven't heard of. Let me know what you think. Your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. Bring the winners. We bring it to you first. What do you guys think about these top 10? I think they're 10 big winners. We'll see you soon. I'm out. Peace.